Day 20, Heart Magic. Gratitude is the memory of the heart. Jean-Baptiste Massue, 1743 to 1818, French Revolution activist. You might have figured out by now that with any magical practice of gratitude, the aim is to feel it as much as you can. This is because when you increase the feelings of gratitude on the inside, the things you have to be grateful for in the outside world increase too. Eventually, after practicing gratitude for a long period of time, you will automatically feel it deeply in your heart. However, today's magical practice will collapse the time it would normally take for you to reach that level. The heart magic practice is designed to powerfully increase the depths that you feel gratitude by focusing your mind on the area of your heart, as you say, and feel the magic words, thank you. Scientific research has shown that by focusing on your heart, as you feel gratitude, the rhythm of your heart immediately becomes much more even and harmonious, resulting in major improvements to your immune system and health. That gives you an idea of the power of heart magic. It takes a little practice the first time you try it, but it is worth the effort. After a few times, you will get it. And each time you practice it, your feeling of gratitude will increase exponentially. To practice magic, heart magic, focus your mind and your attention on the area around your heart. It doesn't matter if you focus on the inside or the outside of your body. Close your eyes because it will make it easier. And while keeping your mind focused on your heart, mentally say the magic words, thank you. Once you practice it a few times, you won't need to close your eyes anymore. But as a general rule, you feel more gratitude when you close your eyes. There are several things you can do to help you get heart magic down really quickly. You can put your right hand on the area around your heart to keep your mind focused there while you say the magic words, thank you. Or you can imagine that the magic words, thank you, are coming out of your heart rather than your mind as you say it. It's a very, very powerful practice, since now it's 20 days of these gratitudes and saying thank yous. Whenever you see a person and you want to thank him, just by doing this gesture of holding your heart and feeling it and saying thank you is altogether at a very different level. Try it out tomorrow. It's not part of this book exactly, but yeah, whenever you meet a person or your servant or your maid, anybody who you come in contact with, your employee, and you want to really thank him, just have your hand on your heart and then say thank you so that it is coming from the heart. It is very powerful. Truly, truly powerful. They say a lot of times कि दिल से पूछो. दिल से पूछ के बताओ क्या ये सच है, क्या ये झूठ है, whatever. What exactly does it mean? It's coming from the heart. It's the entire focus is on this heartbeat in your entire body. So जब वो बोलते हैं कि दिल से पूछो, so they are referring to this heart, which is, if it's beating, it's beating. The whole body is there. It's not there, it's not, the whole body is not there. This is one of the centers which is pumping in blood 24/7 all throughout your veins and arteries. So जो चीज दिल से आती है, when it comes from the heart, it is truly, truly profound. As part of today's magical practice, take your top 10 desire list and practice heart magic on each desire. Read each desire in your mind or out loud, and when you get to the end of reading each one, close your eyes, focus your mind on the area around your heart, and keep your mind on your heart area, and then say the magic words again. Thank you, slowly. Again, you can use the tips I have given above if it helps you. After you have finished heart magic on each of your desires, you will not only increase the depth of gratitude you are able to reach, you will also have dramatically increased your gratitude for your top desires. You can continue to practice heart magic on your desires regularly if you want to speed up the receiving of them, or you can use heart magic anytime you say the magic words thank you. Even just using heart magic a couple of times a day will have a big effect on your happiness and on the magic in your life. Once you have practiced heart magic a few times, you will feel a huge increase in the depth of your feelings. And with gratitude, it's all about the depth of the feelings. Because the deeper the feelings, the greater the abundance you will receive. The initial physical signs that you've increased the depth of your feelings could be that you get a tingling feeling around your heart, or feel a wave of joy rush through your body. Your eyes may fill up with tears, or you may get goosebumps. But without exception, you will begin to feel a depth of peace and happiness you've never felt before. Magic practice number 20, heart magic. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you're grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessings, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for the blessings as you can. Focus your mind and your attention on the area around your heart. Close your eyes, and while keeping your mind focused on your heart, mentally say the magic words, thank you. Take your top 10 desire list and practice heart magic by reading each desire, then closing your eyes, focusing your mind on the area around your heart, and slowly saying thank you again. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Anything that comes from the heart, and if you can really feel it, it's a sign saying that the soul can feel it. Feelings are part of the soul. जो हमारा human mind है, that's the one from where the thought and the emotions come. But the true feelings, the ones which really shake you up, they're actually coming from your soul. So feel it from the heart. Just touch your heart, feel the heart, and then say thank you. I would request everybody to just open their cameras, just touch your heart, close your eyes, and just say thank you. Try to feel the heart. It's coming from deep down your heart, and you are thankful for everything that is happening around you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Your heart is powerful, isn't it? Yeah, we open for any questions, any discussions, anything else before we get to a very, very important part.
So Arjun, I'll ask you something.
Yeah, sure.
Because I'm trying to practice, each assignment that you give. Sometimes when it comes to, desires and, your anything specific related to money, I'm unable to like have anything like a substantial desire or anything related to anything like money or materialistic income. So there I really don't know how to go about it. Secondly, currently the stage that I am in. So how does one find gratitude um, in the time when you're actually um, how do I say it, trying to going through grief? How in grief can you find gratitude? Like how can I say thanks when
think about, see, life and death are the only two things humans have no control. Everybody is born with the limited number of breaths on this earth. So that's not in our control at all.
So are you saying that when like this thing has been bothering my mind that when my parents were sick and I was trying to pray and think things will work out and trying to would gratitude would have worked then? I mean, do you think by having शुक्राना करने से कुछ मतलब कुछ बदल सकता था? It's something that's bothering me, so I thought I'll ask you.
See, it's very difficult for us to change the destiny. As I said, life and death, ये दो चीजें नहीं है, हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. We are all born with a limited number of breaths. We are here in that journey.
Yes.
We are making the best of that journey. Coming back to your first point, जो भी आपके अच्छे moments रहे, you had such amazing moments. Parents have done so much. They paid your fees, your school uniforms, your toys, your birthday parties. That's something with you. And that's going to remain with you. Our focus here is very, very clear. We are truly, deeply, madly thankful to them. What they have done in the kind of person you are, the amount of blessings they have given you in terms of your family now, your husband, your kids, your house, everything they have done. उन्होंने हर एक चीज selflessly की है हमारे लिए. All parents, mothers, fathers, they do so much from the time we are born. From the time we are born, we just need to thank them. They have blessed us and they are continuing to bless you. It's just in the physical form, it's not possible to see them in their physical form, but they're there with you. Their thoughts, their feelings, their energy, their blessings, they're always going to be with you. Your family, your kids, everybody.
Correct.
So, हमारा focus ये है, since we are in this school of earth. So, होता है क्या है, when you enter the school, there is an exit of the school. Because you are here to learn something. Okay? The soul, when comes, it's here for a journey where it has to learn something. You know, a lot of people are lucky that they complete their learnings very fast, or they complete their earth school journey in a manner, because it takes people 100 years, probably sometimes or more. So they were here for a purpose. They did that purpose. They are in a much, much better world, a world full of love and devotion. Physically, they are not there with us. Yes, that is there, but yes, their blessings, their energies, such great memories.
Yeah, so I've been doing gratitude for all of that they gave me and everything, and I'm trying to be grateful that they are present around me as my spiritual guides. So that's where with grief that kind of gratitude is coming. Also about material, like how to, like I find it
It's
like
okay.
I can't make
It's really okay if you cannot
list
think
of.
of anything material. मतलब कोई ऐसा वो specific नहीं है. Generally, a lot of people have material desires. I mean, it's too specific because there are 6 areas we are working: health, career, relationships, money, personal things, material desires. So if one is okay, अगर नहीं आ रहा तो कोई issue नहीं. जब आएगा तब लिख लो.
Because वो वाले एक्सरसाइजेस में मेरा जैसे मेडिकल चेक था, तो वो मेरा हो नहीं पाता है कैसे करना है मुझे पता ही नहीं है कि क्या चाहिए, like there is
no issues. Whenever you have that feeling that you want something, you can do that. You can get back to that check then and then do it. See, because very important for you to have that feeling that yes, this is my desire, I want it.
Right.
Then only you can work.
Then only it will work on. Yeah. Right.
So whenever you get it, you can work on that. That's okay.
See.
Anything else, guys?
Yeah, Arjun, I want to ask something.
Sure.
Actually, it is about like manifesting money, some particular amount or something for a thing. Suppose for a watch, okay? Suppose it's for 110, okay? And you get the money. You manifest it, you got the money after 6 months or 7 months or whatever, okay? And by that time, you realize your priority has changed. Okay, it's not the watch, maybe it's a holiday. And you want to use it for that, and you use it, okay? Can you manifest again for the same amount and everything for the watch and everything?
I think you can, in the normal sense. In terms of the book, I would say that's a bit different. But yeah, with time, the priorities change. The money you manifest for one thing, when the time it comes, you probably feel that there is something more or better I can do with that money. It's absolutely normal because it's your money. But आप जो भी चीज उस money से करोगे, that has to be done with a feeling of gratitude, not a negative aspect wherein you keep having this thought in your mind. यार पैसे तो मैंने घड़ी के लिए मैनिफेस्ट किए थे, पैसे तो आगे बहुत बढ़िया, बट अभी तो घड़ी चाहिए नहीं. So no, पैसे मैनिफेस्ट किए, thank you God for this money, thank you so much, but I'm going to manifest more because I feel right now as a family we need to go for a vacation and I'm truly blessed for this money, but we are going to be using it this way. And I love that watch. And thank you for giving that money for the watch. And thank you for the money for the vacation. That negativity does not tweak it.
Okay. And we can manifest again for the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
मैनिफेस्ट बेटर. पहले अगर जो मॉडल पसंद आया वो भगवान ने कर दिया तो
वही ना, that's what I'm saying, it's your priority change by the time you get.
इट्स
ठीक है.
ओके, इट्स ओके, इट
Okay,
डजंट मैटर.
thank you.
नेगेटिव ट्वीक नहीं होना चाहिए, पॉजिटिव हो तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
ठीक. Thank you.
ग्रेट.
I also have a question, Arjun.
या
The question is, like the practice, the daily practice, hold your magic, the last practice that is there every day, hold your magic rock in one hand and say thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. What if we are in a daily routine and there isn't any best thing that happened during the day? There is
your voice is
like
some internet glitch.
matlab it is a routine special that happened on that particular day. Just a second, I'll just move out. Now is it better?
Yeah.
Is it better now? Acha,
Yeah, better
this
now.
is what I'm saying. What if there isn't any particular thing, a particular best thing that happened during the day? If we are in a normal routine with our daily course and there isn't anything special that happened during the day, then what for shall we be thankful? Matlab for matlab the magic rock, when we are holding the magic rock to say the last thing thank you, and there isn't any best thing that happened during the day, then
The second best thing. अगर बेस्ट थिंग नहीं समझ आ रही तो सेकंड बेस्ट थिंग तो समझ आ गई होगी.
routine happens from say 7 to 10, whatever, and there isn't any best thing, then what?
Go for the second best.
There isn't any second best thing also.
For the third best thing.
Oh my goodness. Matlab, it
You're
is just
alive.
we are thankful that we are alive, we have a
You're
family.
alive, that's a big thank you.
Hmm.
You have a house, that's a big thank you.
This
You have
is
a family, that's a big thank you.
now since I am connected with this book through you, I am being thankful for all that I have been blessed
Reason
with.
आपको कोई फोकस में नहीं मिल रहा, इनमें से किसी एक को पकड़ लो. I'm very thankful I'm alive today. I'm very thankful that I was able to cook food. There was food available in the kitchen. कितना कुछ है उसमें से.
अर्जुन को थैंक्स कर दो.
नमित को कर दे, खुश हो जाएगा.
See,
अच्छा,
I'll tell you how I do this
Thanks
practice.
for the great chapter, Arjun. अच्छा, रुचिका का एक आधी सेशन को थैंक्स कर दो.
It can be anything. It can be anything. I'll tell you how I do this practice. I just take my rock and I start going through the entire day in my mind, closing my eyes. मैं सुबह उठा उसका थैंक यू, ये हुआ उसका थैंक यू, ये हुआ उसका थैंक यू. So there are about series of 12 to 15 events which you think about during the day. उसमें से जिसमें मेरे को एक हल्की सी एक्स्ट्रा फीलिंग आती है, मैं उसको पकड़ के उसका थैंक यू करता हूँ. But I thank all 15 or 12 or 15 significant events that happened during the day. So I'm scanning my day for everything that is good, for everything I'm thankful for. उसमें से एक चूज.
that even I have started to do since I have been in touch with the book through you. That even I have started doing, but I cannot figure out one best thing that happened. I cannot, matlab, with the magic rock, I cannot figure out one best thing that happened.
Just pick any one from those 10-15 thoughts that happened during the day.
Okay, perfect.
Because whatever choice you make, your soul has made that choice, so that is the best.
Swati, it used to happen with me as well, you know, and जैसे अर्जुन ने बोला ना कि pick the magic rock and just start saying thanks. क्योंकि रात को बंदा इतना थका होता है ना, सोने वाला होता है, तो वो एक चीज याद ही नहीं आती कि जो बहुत अच्छी क्या हुई हो, वो चीज आपको सुबह याद आ जाएगी जब आप रिलैक्स्ड होते हो, एक ओपन माइंड से, तब आप थोड़ा सोचोगे, याद आ जाएगी कि हाँ यार ये बड़ी चीज हुई, पर रात को याद नहीं आती. तो व्हाट आई डू इज अ लिटिल बाईपास. मैं रात को 10 थैंक्स लिख देता हूँ, जो मैंने सुबह एक्चुअली लिखने होते हैं ना, मैं रात को ही लिख देता हूँ, और फिर उसमें से मुझे ध्यान आ जाता है, जैसे अर्जुन कह रहा है कि हाँ ये बड़ा अच्छा चीज हुई थी यार. तो वो जो मैंने लिखे हैं वो सुबह तो मैं वैसे ही पढ़ी लूंगा उठते सारी, तो वो भी पढ़े गए, और रात को भी जो थैंक्स किए उसमें से भी एक आधी चीज कोई मिल गई. तो वो रात सुबह वाली प्रैक्टिस रात को कर लो. सब इट यूज्ड टू हैपन विद मी, तो फिर उससे थोड़ी सी इंप्रूवमेंट होगी. बट आई हैव टू से
since we are home locked, there is no new experience happening to us every day. We are not speaking to customers. There is nothing new that is happening to us every day, no? So out of that, to think of one best thing, it is really difficult. You can be thankful for all the things or luxuries that you get in your life and you've been blessed with, and it's okay. But you are, I as a person, I am not experiencing any new experiences every day.
None
It
of
is
us
the
are.
same routine. It is the
None of
same
us-
routine that no.
Then just thank यार अच्छा चलो thank you universe की कोरोना केसेस कम हो रहे हैं इंडिया में, you know, अगर अपने अंदर कुछ नहीं मिल रहा, कोरोना केसेस अच्छे कम हो गए यार, the wave खत्म हो गई and less than 1 lakh and now it is this thing. Thank you कि अपना जो ये vaccination है ये अच्छी चल रही है. Just thank the environment, start thanking the environment. वो जो ये numbers की बड़ी relevance है स्वाति, ये जो numbers बोलते हैं ना कि 10 and then pick one thing which is most important. ये इसकी न्यूमरोलॉजी है, मे बी अर्जुन एक्चुअली कैन एक्सप्लेन बेटर, मुझे नहीं पता, बट जो हमने सीखा मैम जो कि ये नंबर्स पूरे होने चाहिए, ये 10 पूरे होने चाहिए, ये 1 पूरा होना चाहिए.
ये मेरे तो मैं बात बोलूं, मेरे किसी भी दिन 10 पूरे नहीं हुए. Not even a single day I finished with all 10.
ओके तो मे बी
4, 6
एक्स्ट्रा हो सकते हैं.
हाँ जितने मर्जी करो, मतलब 10 तो होनी चाहिए.
The more the
Oh my
better.
goodness.
My goodness nahi hai. I hope everybody's made their point. I'll just take 2 minutes. See, Swati, you need to initially get yourself focused. The blessing, don't judge the blessing. If I have food on my plate, that's a blessing. If I have clothes to wear, that's a blessing. And I don't wear the same clothes every day. I'll probably change it at least second day, third day. ठीक है, third, fourth day मैं भी वही चीज repeat कर लेता हूँ. If I am having water or anything to drink, that's a blessing. If I have a house, I have a bed, I have a mattress, I have a pillow, just close your eyes. You have more than 1,000 things in your room and your house where you're not going out. You can be thankful. जजमेंट नहीं ब्लेसिंग्स में, क्योंकि यार समझे नहीं, आज ये फोन है, इंटरनेट का कनेक्शन है. Let's just say 10 blessings for this meeting. Thanks to Zoom, it was possible because of this. Thanks to our internet. If there was no internet, we could not have done it. Thanks for the device. If that device, iPhone, iPad, computer was not there, you could not have done it. You're blessing it. You're thanking for the thing. Thank you for the book. If that book was not there, we would have been doing this. Thank you for the charger. अगर वो फोन में बैटरी मैंने चार्जिंग से चार्ज नहीं की होती तो वो फोन ना होता, वो डिवाइस ना होता. थैंक यू फॉर द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी थी तो मैं उस चार्जर को यूज कर पाई. थैंक यू फॉर माय हैंड्स दैट आई कुड होल्ड दिस डिवाइस. अगर हैंड नहीं होते तो मुश्किल होता ना थोड़ा सा. I mean, it's just a perspective. You can be thankful for so many things. You just start counting them.
True.
पर्सपेक्टिव में ये ना सोचो मेरी ब्लेसिंग छोटी, मेरी ब्लेसिंग बड़ी. जजमेंट ब्लेसिंग्स में नहीं आता, जनरल में भी नहीं आना चाहिए. But I mean, I think probably we had 7 for just for this meeting. There's so many much more. हम खाना नीचे बैठ के नहीं खा रहे. We have a dining table. We have a dining chair. We are not using Indian toilets. We are using Western toilets. There is water. There is a geyser which gives you hot water in case you want to have a bath with hot water. You have towels too. After your bath, you have towels, you have creams, you have, so many things which you use daily. और ये ना सोचो कि हम क्या है, just जो आ रहा है. The point is to get yourself focused on the blessings, on the thank you. थैंक यू फॉर द माइंड कि मैं सोच सकता हूँ. थैंक यू फॉर माई आईज कि मैं देख सकता हूँ. थैंक यू फॉर माई एयर्स कि मैं सुन सकता हूँ. Thank you for my mouth कि मैं बोल सकता हूँ. I can express myself. So many things. उसमें से एक choose कर लो. You know, if your kid gives you a hug, generally वो तो मेरा best हो ही जाता है. I mean, it's a rare phenomena these days, but yeah, I try to get the maximum out of it. So, see, we have a visitor. We have the blesser there who's blessing. So just go with it, close your eyes and just think. जो सामने दिख रहा है उसका thank you है यार. बॉटल में पानी मिलता है, वो जैसे कहते हैं ना वो जो उससे छप्पड़ से मतलब उससे नहीं हमें अपना वो पानी पीना पड़ता कि हम ऐसे पिएंगे, या स्कूल में वो टूटी के साथ ऐसे पीते, ग्लास में पी लेते यार हम तो. वी आर थैंकफुल फॉर द ग्लास. I hope I was able to add value.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you for listening to me. I'm blessed that you listened, and I'm blessed. I'm blessed I was able to add value. Anything. The thought has to be that yes, you're blessed, and you have to say thank you for that.
Thank you for explaining it so nicely.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for being a part of it. Anybody else wants to ask something, share something? We have a very, very powerful. See, we've talked about meditations. We've talked about visualizations. Today we have a surprise. We have a guided prayer by one of the persons who is a very, very renowned guru called a Baba. A lot of wisdom in his sayings. So we will be going through a guided prayer for about, I think, 8 minutes. All I would request is just switch on your camera. If you want to open your eyes, it's okay. If you want to close your eyes, it's absolutely okay. If you want to join your hands, it's okay. Just give this man your ears to listen to him for 8 minutes. That's all. With a pure thought.